In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the average function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work. The average function is one of the most useful basic formulas in Excel because it helps you quickly calculate the arithmetic mean of a group of numbers. In simple terms, Excel adds the numbers together and then divides the total by the number of values in the list. Let's begin with a simple example. If you enter the formula equals average, open parenthesis, A1 colon, A4, close parenthesis, Excel will calculate the average of all the numbers in cells A1 through A4. In this example, the result is 25. This is the most common way to use the function, and it's perfect when your values are in one continuous range. You can also use average with multiple ranges. For example, if you type equals average, open parenthesis, B1 colon B4, comma, B1 colon B4, close parenthesis, Excel combines all the values from both ranges and averages them together. This is helpful when your data is separated into different sections, or when you want to include more than one range in the same calculation. Another important thing to know is that average ignores empty cells. For instance, if a range contains 10, then a blank cell, then 30, and you use the formula equals average, open parenthesis, C1 colon C3, close parenthesis, the result will be 20. Excel only averages the cells that actually contain numeric values, so blank cells do not affect the result. In the same way, average also ignores text values inside a range. If a column contains 10, a text entry like apple, and 30, then the formula equals average, open parenthesis, D1 colon D3, close parenthesis, will still return 20. This happens because Excel automatically skips text when using the average function. Now let's look at a practical example using student grades. Imagine you have a list of scores, 85, 90, 78, and 92. If those scores are in cells G2 through G5, you can type equals average, open parenthesis, G2 colon G5, close parenthesis, and Excel will return 86.225. This is a great real-world use case because averages are often used for grades, sales reports, and performance tracking. As a final tip, if you ever need to calculate an average based on a condition, such as averaging only values from a specific category, you would use AVERAGEIF instead. Also remember that empty cells are ignored, but zero values are included in the calculation. That distinction is important when reviewing your data. And that's how to use the average function in Excel.